The International Monetary Fund, IMF, is optimistic of a rebound in the economy in 2013. According to the IMF, the economy is expected to begin recovering this year from a deep three-year recession, allowing the government to start to rein in the deficit. The IMF indicates that with the economy having contracted over 20% in the last 3 years on the back of weak tourism and construction activity, the country is expected to have returned to a growth of 1% of gross domestic product in 2012. More in this report.
Antigua and Barbuda has achieved significant fiscal savings under a successful debt restructuring deal with international and domestic creditors. Fiscal consolidation and debt relief led to a decline in the ratio of debt to gross domestic product from over 100% in 2009 to around 90% in 2011. Debt is expected to have risen in 2012, however, on the back of government support for the Antigua and Barbuda Investment Bank. The government now aims to balance supporting the economy with fiscal consolidation, debt restructuring, and comprehensive reforms of revenue administration and public financial management to put the territory's public debt firmly on a downward path. The IMF Executive Board stressed the importance of improving public financial management and expenditure rationalization without constraining much-needed capital spending. It also stressed the need to broaden the tax base, especially by eliminating tax exemptions to enhance revenues. The IMF reported that the banking system has felt the effects of the economic contraction and underscored the importance of continued efforts to bolster financial sector stability. It emphasized the need for stronger supervision of banks and non-bank financial institutions, including through consolidated supervision of financial conglomerates. The fund recommended tightening regulations on assets classification and loans loss provisioning and introducing risk-based supervision with more frequent on-site examinations of banks. To improve the country's economic growth prospects, the board emphasized the need to diversify the economy and enhance the territory's competitiveness by improving the business climate. The IMF recently completed a mission to Antigua and Barbuda.